Hello guys! This time I'm taking you with me on my trip to Chicago. Traveling and exploring different places is an awesome part of being an au pair. We spent a whole weekend in the city. I hope you enjoy watching, so let's go! Nearly 40 million people visit Chicago every year. With every step we took, I realized how many faces the city has. The windy city, the city that works, and the city by the lake. With every moment, I understood more and more why there live almost 3 million people. We visited the Millennium Park to see the beautiful Cloud Gate, also known as the Bean. Truly, I have never seen so much perfection in one place.
Also hier geile Skyline, Hashtag Chicago, Hashtag Goals, Hashtag geile City, Hashtag geiler als New York City.
When we saw Lake Michigan for the first time, we all agreed we must be in Miami. This couldn't be just a lake. No real water was ever blue like that, and no breeze ever blew like that.
Jetzt hier am Strand, Miami Beach.
The most impressive sight is for real the Willis Tower. It's mind-blowing when you're sitting on a ground of glass and you have all that steel and concrete underneath you. Before our first day ended, we decided to enjoy the breathtaking view of Chicago's nightlife on top of the Hancock Tower. When I first came to the US, I've never thought I'm going to be so excited about all these small trips and about all the things I'm going to explore. With this excitement, I started the next day. On our second and unfortunately last day, we went to Lincoln Park where we saw lots of animals and took a long walk on the beach straight to the last site on our trip, which Chicago is known for, the huge Ferry Wheel. In conclusion, I'm glad I didn't miss this opportunity because, to be honest, Chicago is the most gorgeous city I've ever seen in my life. It's not only the great architecture, also its charm made me feel so comfortable and welcome. If you get the chance to experience all of that, don't miss it.